What are the benefits of tour guide systems? Whether in museums or machine shops, the quality of a tour depends on how well the guests can hear the information given. On this page, you will find information on the benefits of a tour guide system for guests and tour guides alike. It makes a considerable difference if a tour guide is forced to shout for the entire event or can address the group in a normal voice. Tours can also be carried out easily by people with a relatively quiet voice. Without a tour guide system, it is often difficult for guests to hear the tour guide at all, particularly in environments with high noise levels. A tour guide system enables the guest to concentrate fully on the content of the tour. Particularly in large groups, the distance from the tour guide can vary considerably. The guests standing at the front of the group block the voice of the tour guide off from the other guests standing at the back, who have difficulty hearing anything at all. With a tour guide system, every position is optimal. If several tours are taking place simultaneously, the level of understanding suffers. With a tour guide system, the increase in noise is significantly reduced. Without the technical support of a tour guide system, the noise level increases significantly during the event, disturbing other guests and employees. With a tour guide system, guests can move independently around the room without missing any information. To understand the functions of a personal tour guide system such as the Tourguide 2020D, you can compare it with an automatic tour guide system such as GuidePort here. Discover on this page what parameters define the quality of a tour guide system and how the Tourguide 2020 system meets these requirements. Intelligibility and interference resistance are integral parts of the parameters. The digital transmission used for the first time in a tour guide system enables large ranges to be achieved without interference. The following pages contain more information on the benefits of digital transmission. During tours, users must familiarize themselves with the function of the receiver in just a few minutes. The Tourguide 2020D receiver offers highly intuitive handling with a minimum number of clear operating elements. The weight of the receiver is a decisive factor for wearer comfort. Recordings can add a really interesting touch to tours. An additional audio source can be connected via the line input. Other systems available on the market may have more channels, which can, however, not be used together. With these systems, the customer has to choose certain frequency ranges before purchasing the system. With Tourguide 2020, however, the user can choose freely between 6 intermodulation-free pre-configured channels. This enables a higher level of configuration flexibility for fixed installation and rental. The Tourguide 2020 works in a license-free frequency range and does not need to be registered with the authorities. The system can therefore be operated straight away without entering a legal gray area. To optimize the operating time, the receiver is only switched on when the headband for the Stethosset receiver is spread apart. When the headband is closed, the receiver switches the RF circuit off and turns itself off completely after 2 minutes. The charging times have been optimized to 2.5 or 3.5 hours compared with the predecessor model. The housing of the 2020 receiver is made from ABS plastic and is screwed and not glued or clicked into place, keeping the costs of servicing the unit as low as possible. The volume control knob has no stop, eliminating the danger of damage due to excessive turning. The transmitter SK2020D, made from zinc die-cast, is designed for use in rough stage environments and guarantees a long service life.